This video will show you how to configure mail security in the firewall for SMTP connection. In order to set this up, we are going to modify some settings in Windows Defender Firewall. Step 1. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Start by clicking on your search bar and type in Firewall. From the results, open the Windows Defender Firewall application. Step 2. Create new rule. Click on Advanced Settings inside the menu on the left. Click on Inbound Rules on the top left. Now look over to the menu on the right and click New Rule. Select Port as rule type. Click Next to continue. Type 25 into the text box next to specific local ports. Click Next again 3 times. Now type in the name of the server into the first text box. Click Finish to complete. Check out our other guides for more information on our solutions.